Top 5 foods highest in boron. Raisins are dried grapes that are high in boron. They are often used in baking, salads, and as a snack.
Amount 1 cup 165 grams. Boron 3 milligrams.
2. Almonds. Almonds are not only nutritious but also a good source of boron. They can be eaten raw, roasted, or added to various dishes.
Boron amount 1 ounce 28 grams. Boron
1.5 milligrams. Prunes.
Prunes or dried plums are rich in boron. They are often used in
baking, cooking, or eaten as a snack.
Amount 1 cup 174 grams.
Boron
1.8 milligrams. 4. Avocado.
Avocado is a rich source of boron and healthy fats. It can be used in salads, sandwiches, and smoothies.
Pods amount 1 cup 150 grams. Sliced.
Boron 1.7 milligrams.
5. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter is a good source of boron. It can be spread on bread, added to smoothies, or used in baking.
The amount 2 tablespoons 32 grams. Boron 0.5 milligrams.